Kajabi costs over $100 a month, which is a lot more expensive than most course platforms. So the real question is Kajabi actually still worth it? Because today there are dozens of platforms where you can host courses. Some cost $30 a month, some are even free. But Kajabi has always positioned itself differently. Instead of just being a course host, it's built as an all-in-one business platform for creators, meaning it combines your website, course platform, email marketing, funnels, payments, and community all in one tool. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly what Kajabi does well, where it falls short, how much it costs, and whether it's still the best platform for building an online course business. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter decisions when choosing tools for your online business. Let's get into it. What Kajabi actually does. So at its core, Kajabi is designed to help creators build, market, and sell digital products. That includes things like online courses, membership programs, coaching programs, communities, digital downloads, podcasts, and newsletters. The big idea behind Kajabi is simple. Instead of piecing together multiple tools like WordPress for your website, ConvertKit for email marketing, ClickFunnels for funnels, and Teachable for courses, Kajabi combines everything into one platform. So rather than managing 5 different subscriptions and trying to connect them all together, you run your entire digital product business in one place. For many creators, that simplicity is a huge advantage. But of course, the trade-off is price, which we'll talk about in a minute. Kajabi pricing explained. So Kajabi is definitely not the cheapest platform on the market. At the time of recording, it starts at $179 per month, but it can be brought down to a monthly price of effectively about $143 per month when you sign up for annual pricing. And according to their website, that saves about $431 per year. From there, the plans scale up depending on how many products and contacts you have. All right, so here's the breakdown. So the basic plan allows you to create up to 5 products with up to 2,500 contacts. You get 1 website, 1 community, and 2 admin users. The growth plan, which starts at $249 per month on the monthly plan, allows you to create up to 50 products, supports 25,000 contacts. You still get 1 website and 1 community, but up to 11 admin users. From there, the pro plan at $499 per month, you get unlimited products, up to 100,000 contacts, 3 websites, 3 communities, and 26 admin users. Kajabi also occasionally runs extended free trials, sometimes up to 30 days, which can be helpful if you want to test the platform before committing, which you can actually do now by clicking the link down below in the description. You can get your hands on that exclusive 30-day free trial just by using that link. Again, just click it down in the description to get started with Kajabi. Now, on the surface, Kajabi looks expensive, but the key to remember is that it replaces multiple tools. If you were paying separately for website hosting, email marketing, funnel software, course hosting, membership software, you could easily spend just as much or more using separate platforms. So whether Kajabi feels expensive or not really depends on how many of its features you actually use. Kajabi Website Builder. One of the first things you'll interact with inside Kajabi is the website builder. Kajabi includes professionally designed templates that allow you to create pages like home pages, sales pages, course landing pages, blog posts, on opt-in pages. The builder works using a section-based editor, which means you can drag and rearrange content blocks like text, images, videos, testimonials, and pricing tables. Everything is mobile responsive by default, which is important since a huge percentage of course sales now happen on mobile devices. Compared to something like WordPress, Kajabi's builder is definitely more limited when it comes to deep customization. But the advantage is simplicity. You can launch a professional looking website without needing to install plugins, manage hosting, or deal with technical setup. Now, for most creators, that trade-off is worth it. Course hosting and student experience. Now, of course, the main reason that people use Kajabi is for course hosting. Inside Kajabi, courses are organized into categories and lessons, making it easy to structure your content into modules. Each lesson can include things like like video content, text explanations, downloadable resources, quizzes, and assignments. Students can track their progress as they move through the course, and the interface is clean and easy to navigate. Kajabi also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, which allows students to watch lessons on the go. This is actually a really underrated feature because many students actually prefer consuming course content on their phones rather than sitting at their computer. The overall student experience is polished and professional, which is one reason that Kajabi has remained so popular among established creators. Email marketing and automation. Another major advantage of Kajabi is that it includes built-in email marketing. This means you can send both one-time broadcast emails and automated sequences directly from the platform. For example, you could set up automations like when someone purchases a course, send the onboarding emails. When someone downloads a lead magnet, send a nurture sequence. When someone finishes a lesson, trigger a follow-up message. These automations allow you to create a fully automated marketing system without needing a separate email tool. Many creators who switch to Kajabi end up canceling subscriptions to services like MailChimp or ConvertKit because Kajabi handles everything internally. Sales funnel and pipelines. Kajabi also includes a feature called pipelines, which are essentially pre-built marketing funnels. Instead of building an entire funnel from scratch, Kajabi provides templates for things like webinar launches, lead magnet funnels, product launches, and coaching funnels. These templates automatically create the pages and emails that you need for each type of funnel. From there, you can customize the content to match your offer. For creators who are new to marketing funnels, this can be incredibly helpful because it removes a lot of the guesswork. Payments and checkout. When it comes to payments, Kajabi integrates primarily with Stripe and PayPal. This allows you to accept one-time payments, monthly subscriptions, and payment plans. Kajabi also supports features like coupons, upsells, and order bumps, which can help increase your average order value. One big advantage here is that Kajabi does not charge transaction fees on top of your payment processor. So aside from the standard Stripe or PayPal fees, you keep the rest of your revenue. Kajabi communities and coaching. In recent years, Kajabi has expanded beyond just courses by adding community features. Creators can build private communities where members can post updates, comment on discussions, and interact with each other. This is useful for membership programs or group coaching environments where engagement matters. Kajabi has improved these community tools significantly over time, but it's worth noting that dedicated community platforms like Circle or School still offer deeper engagement features. Kajabi also allows creators to structure coaching programs, although most users still integrate tools like Calendly for scheduling sessions. Kajabi AI tools. Kajabi has also started integrating AI tools directly into the platform. These tools can help generate things like course outlines, product descriptions, landing page copy, and email subject lines. The goal is to speed up the content creation process so creators can launch products faster. These AI features aren't meant to replace your entire marketing strategy, but they can definitely help eliminate writer's block when you're getting started. The biggest pros of Kajabi. First, everything works together. Your website, courses, emails, funnels, and payments are all managed from one dashboard. Second, the platform is very beginner-friendly compared to building your own tech stack. You don't have to worry about plugins, hosting, or complex integrations. And third, Kajabi provides a very polished experience for both creators and students. That combination of simplicity and professionalism is what attracts so many creators to the platform. The biggest downsides. That said, Kajabi is not perfect. The biggest downside is the price. If you're just testing your first course idea or selling a low-priced product, Kajabi can feel expensive compared to similar platforms. Another limitation is customization. While Kajabi templates look great, you won't have the same level of control that you would with something like WordPress. And finally, if community engagement is the core of your business, you may still prefer a dedicated community platform. Kajabi versus competitors. So Kajabi is often compared to platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, Podiya, and School. Teachable and Thinkific are strong course platforms, but they typically require additional tools for marketing and funnels. Podiya is simpler and more affordable, but it doesn't offer the same level of automation. School focuses heavily on community-based courses, which can be powerful for engagement. Kajabi's biggest advantage is that it brings all of these pieces together in one platform. Who Kajabi is best for? Kajabi is a great fit for creators who want to build a serious digital product business. It works especially well for creators selling multiple courses, coaches running memberships or group programs, entrepreneurs who want to manage their entire online business in one platform. But if you're just experimenting with your first course or selling a single digital product, there are cheaper platforms that might make more sense initially. So is Kajabi still the best all-in-one course platform? For many creators, the answer is yes. It offers one of the most complete ecosystems for building, marketing, and selling digital products online. However, the platform makes the most sense if you plan to use multiple features like email marketing, funnels, and memberships. But if you want a platform that can power your entire creator business, Kajabi remains one of the strongest options available. So again, if you want to get started with Kajabi, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we discuss everything about websites, from domains to website builders and everything in between, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.